Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Nissan key. This particular key is a proximity model, and it was found for the Nissan Micra. It was found for the Pathfinder. Some of the models have it starting from 2003 up until 2014. The procedure on it is relatively simple. You can see on the key as well, it shows you how to open this cap. So you have to push this button, and so you slide it, and then it opens up. Okay, you do have the key, the emergency blade in here, but we don't need to use that. And in order to open the case up, you have a small gap in here which allows you to use a small screwdriver to push the case open. Okay, so once the case is open, it comes in two pieces. Please make sure you don't touch this part with the screwdriver, as it can damage the circuits inside. Leave this one on the side, and then you have the battery over here. With the help of the small screwdriver, you push this battery up, and you have it ready to be changed. Okay, in our case is a CR2032 battery. When placed back into its position, you'll have to use the positive side of the battery on the back. Okay, clips back in. You put the case back in. Please make sure it clips all the way through and it's well aligned. And then we put the cover back up until it clicks. Okay, that is a procedure for changing the battery. You can also see the red light flashing, which is a good sign that the battery is fully working. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.